Hello students, this is teacher Hira here. We are starting our new chapter number 2 of chemistry, chemical combinations. The topic which we will study today is laws of chemical combinations. The different laws are there: law of conservation of mass, law of definite proportions, law of multiple proportions, and the law of reciprocal proportions. What is the law of conservation of mass? Mass is neither created nor destroyed in ordinary chemical and physical changes. It states that in any chemical reaction, the initial weight of reacting substance is equal to the final weight of the products. This is the law of conservation of mass. Let's see it through the experiment. So here is the experiment of law of conservation of mass. I have taken 2 beakers, weighed them. Now add some vinegar in one beaker. Add some baking soda in another beaker. So the weight before the reaction is this: add vinegar in the baking soda and just wait to see the weight. Once the bubbles are down, just add some more vinegar in the baking soda solution and wait for the reaction and solution to show the actual weight after the reaction. Another law is law of definite proportion. What is the law of definite proportion? It states that atoms combine in whole number ratios, so their proportion by mass will always be the same. Example, H2O is always made up of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. The mass ratio of oxygen to hydrogen in water is always 16:2 or 8:1. Another law is law of multiple proportions, which was given by John Dalton. He said when the same 2 elements combine to form more than one compound, the ratio of the mass of one element in the first compound to its mass in the second compound can always be expressed as ratio of small whole numbers. As the example is given, carbon combines with oxygen to form carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. The last law is law of reciprocal proportions. If 2 different elements combine separately with the same weight of a third element, the ratio of the masses in which they do so are either the same or a simple multiple of the mass ratio in which they combine. Example is given below. Carbon combines with the oxygen, they make CO2. Oxygen combines with the hydrogen, they make H2O, and CH combines and make CH4. Products are made: carbon dioxide, water, and methane gas. This is your homework. All the laws are explained already in the video. Go and watch it once and do it by yourself. Thank you.